We have a story time video where you get to say story to your viewers, tell them what happened to you, because people love to listen to story. That is just a fact. And you also have prank videos. Prank videos, you can prank your friend, you can prank your mom, your dad, your boyfriend, or your girlfriend. But if you are pranking an African parent, you better be careful because you know the outcome of it. You also have what I eat in a day, where you get to show us what you eat in a day for 24 hours. You also have what is on my phone, where you get to show us what is inside your phone. It can be any phone at all. It can be Samsung, iPhone, any phone at all. Just show us what is there and the app you like to use, that they are your favorite app, and you tell us why you love them. It can be for editing, for thumbnail, or for other things. You just show us what is inside the phone and what you use inside the phone. You also have what is in my bag. You can show us what you normally carry in your bag every day, your daily essentials and all that. You also have morning routine. Morning routine, show us what you normally do in the morning with your routine. You also have night routine. You can also show us what you normally do at night with your routine as well. You also have advice video. Advice video, you can say something and you dash out advice to people who will be needing it. Those videos, they are very good just to encourage someone out there that they are not alone and what they need to know. It may be a problem you are solving and all that. You also have everyday vlog where you get to show us vlogging for the day, what you normally do. Just vlog your day for us. We want to see, people love to see anything that concerns you. They just want to see what you are doing. Those vlogs, they are really good. You also have get ready with me videos. It can be for work, it can be for school, how you are processing your day for work, for school, and carry us along with it. You also have product review. You can review Amazons, you can review gadgets, so that people can see what they want to buy based on they've watched your video and the review you've given to them. If it is good, if it is bad, people love to see all those things because people buy things online every day by day. You also have hair review. Hair review video, you get to buy hair. You tell us what the hair is all about, the inches, why you love the hair, and why people should also get that hair as well. You also have how-to video. How-to video, you get to show us how to do a particular thing. You can also say how to start a YouTube channel, how to do this, how to do that, how to get your 4K watch hours, how to get your 1000 subscribers on YouTube. Just show us how to videos. They are really good, and if you are doing it, you get a lot of views with it. You also have wash day. You can decide to wash your clothes, you can decide to wash your hair, and just take us along with it. Let's see what you are doing in the camera. You also have mukbang video were trendy back then. Even now they are still trendy. You can just decide to do a mukbang video where you eat a particular food and all that, and people want to see how you are doing it. Mukbang videos are really good and they are really nice. You can also do a room tour video where you get to show us your room, what is inside, people want to see. You can also do a travel vlog. When you are doing a travel vlog, you have to show the places you visit in your new location, the restaurants, the hotels, and everything. You just need to take us along with you on your journey, and let's see what is there in case someone wants to go to that particular country or state. You also have clothes haul. You can decide to do a haul for Shein. You can decide to do a haul for Timo. You can decide to do a haul for Pretty Little Things. It can be anything, any brand at all. You can just show us what their outfit look like or what their things just look like. Just do a haul about that, and people love to see all these things. You also have clean day video. Clean day videos are normally what you normally do. Maybe during the weekend, you clean your room, you arrange your room. Just take us along with the process. You also have makeup tutorial videos where you get to do a particular makeup. You can decide to show your audience natural makeup, the makeup you wear every day, your daily makeup wearing, anything concerning makeup. You can just do a video on that, and people love to see all those kind of things. People love tutorials that concerns anything. And you know, these days people are doing makeups a lot, so why don't you do a video on that? You can just show us how you are doing your makeup, how you do your makeup every day to work, to school, light makeup, any type of makeup. As long as it's makeup, just do it. You also have cooking videos. You can show us a particular recipe where you get to cook a particular meal for your kids or for your husband, or trying out new recipe for a particular meal. People love to see those kind of videos. You also have light playlist music where you get to play a particular music. And please, when you're playing any music on YouTube, you need to be careful of copyright, except maybe you are using the paid version, or I don't know, but just be careful. You can do a video on various playlists and play to your audience and all that. Those videos are really great. You also have unboxing video, an unboxing video where you get to unbox a particular product. It can be hair, it can be clothes, it can be anything at all. Just unbox it and let's see it. Those videos, they are really cool, man. You can also do a Q&A videos where your audience get to ask you a question and you respond to it. Those interactive things, so those videos are normally fun. It can be live, it can be get to know me and all those kind of things. So it's really cool when you do a Q&A videos to know your audience more and for your audience to also know you more. The next video is boyfriend rating my outfit or girlfriend rating my outfit, where you get to show us a particular outfit. Your boyfriend can be rating it, your girlfriend can also be rating it if it is the other way around. Those videos, they really do well. You also have reaction videos where you get to react to a particular thing. It can be music, it can be it can be music, it can be movies, it can be anything. Just react, just show us your reaction towards that particular thing. People want to see your own opinion on that particular stuff. The next one I'll be talking about is skincare routine. Skincare routine, you need to tell us if you have a oily skin or sensitive skin or combined skin, so that you can tell us the product that best suit for the both skins or the individual skins, so that your subscribers can know which product best suits their skin type. You can also do after school routine. When you are done with your classes for that day, show us how you're packing your things to go home. You can also do maintenance vlog. Maybe you want to do your hair, maybe you want to fix your eyelashes, you want to do your teeth, or you want to do anything maintenance at all. Just take us along with it. People love to watch those kind of things. You also have come with me to my appointment. Maybe you have an interview, or maybe you have something to do with somebody. You just take us along with it. Let's see how your appointment and your day is going. You also have a productive day in my life. You need to show us how was your day, if it was productive, what make it to be productive. People love to see those kind of things. Those are some of the things you need to put together so that people can see what you are doing, as long as you are taking them along with it. You also have first day at school. Maybe you are just going to go to college or to high school. Take us along with it. Let's see how your first day is and how it's looking like. You also have shop for a trip. Maybe you want to travel. Just tell us how you are preparing, the things you are shopping to take along with you. Tell us what we need to know. That is just it. Because someone might be preparing for a trip and maybe needing all those things you want to show to them. So that is the reason why those things are really important. We also have birthday get ready with me, whereby if your birthday is so day, just tell us how you're preparing. Maybe you're doing a photo shoot. Just tell us how you're preparing for your birthday. Let's see how it's going. People want to see how your birthday goes and how it look like. You also have winter routine makeup. We're in winter season now, so you can do a winter makeup routine for your audience so that they can know what to do during this winter period. You can also do a college vlogs. Show us around your college, show us your class, or maybe your department, your friends there and all that. Just do a college vlog, anything that concerns college, your college. You show us and let us see how it's looking like. That's just it. You also have unpopular opinion videos. Probably people might be saying things about you which is not true, or maybe things they are not true. You can just do an unpopular video for your audience. You also have visiting friends and family videos, when you get to show us how you are visiting your family and your friends. You also have trying out new restaurants video, where you get to show us the new restaurants, if you enjoy their food, or maybe you don't, just trying a new restaurant you heard about. Take us along with it. Tell us what it look like. If their food is nice, if it is not nice, you let us know. You also have how to make a thumbnail, where you show us how you do your thumbnail on YouTube. You also have how to edit your videos here on YouTube. You can also do a video on that and also show your subscribers how you edit your YouTube videos as well. You also have date night videos, where you get to take us along with you on your date, maybe with your friends or probably with your you know what I'm saying. I don't need to complete it. You also have chit chat and life update videos, where you get to tell your subscribers how it's going with you, what's going on in your life and all that. You also have glossary shopping, where you take us along, do a shopping and carry your audience along. Shop where you go to get your items and all that. You also have behind the scene photo shoot, maybe your birthday or maybe your house or anything. As long as it's behind the scene, people love to see how it look like. You also have mental health advice, where you get to advise people on their mental health who are battling with mental health issue. People that are battling with mental health issue, they seek advice every day. You can also pour out your opinion to them, so that someone out there can also know if your advice will help them or not. But it's always good to share your opinion about particular things, because people are really going through a lot of things right now. So guys, these are the ideas I wanted to share with you. I've given you 40 plus videos creating ideas for YouTube, so you don't have to run out of videos ideas anymore at all. So if you need a part 2 about more videos ideas, let me know in the comment section. Please do well to watch my previous video. Don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification button so that whenever I post a new video, you will be the first to know. So guys, from me to you, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.